Good day everyone, this is Kevin Sugatan, Electrical Engineering from UCLM. So in this task, we are going to illustrate how to do a lap and weave windings in a DC generator. So first is we name the parts of the one. First is the shift, then the commutator, then the armature. So first is, what is the armature? So the armature windings is the most important part of the rotating machine like this. So it is the place where energy conversion takes place, like the mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy, and electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy. So we proceed to, so the armature winding is mainly classified into two types. First is the lap windings and weave windings. So first we start from lap windings. So in the lap windings, conductors are joined in such a way that their parallel paths and poles are equally numbered. So the same sila sa, to asa sa commutator tag armature, the same siya. In the end of the armature coil is connected to the adjacent segment on the commutator. The number of the brushes in the lap winding is equal to the number of the parallel paths, and these brushes are equally divided into negative and positive polarity. So we have to do a lap winding. So this rope is a conductor. So first is, we're going to do is to winding the from the armature to from the commutator to armature. So first we have to start from 1. So first is what we have to start from, so we have to start from 1, then next is to proceed to 3. We have to add 1, so 3 should 3. We add, proceed to 3, then back to the 1. Wait. With 3, then back to 1. And then going to 2, going to 4, just like that. So as you can see na para sa windings is you have to start from 1, then the next is to connect. You have add 2 poles. So we have to start from 1, so we add 2 poles. So we're going to connect from the 3 poles, then back to the 1 and continue to 2, then we have to add 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So from 2 proceed to loop 4 until, so we have loop 4. So after the loop 4, so we have to proceed from loop 3, then we have add 2. So going to add until we get this winding all, and that's the example of lap winding. So after that, so before to end the lap winding, so we have I have to see the so we have to find the advantage of lap winding. So first is the advantage of lap winding is this winding is necessarily required for large current application because it has more parallel paths. It is suitable for low voltage and high current. So kaning lap windings advantage niya kay makakuha siya mga large nga mga application unlike sa wave winding sa voltage mga high current generator makakarga ni siya. Then sa disadvantage niya sa lap winding is it gives less EMF compared to wave winding. Sakay sa wave winding is more EMF pan. Then the winding requires more number of conductor for giving the same EMF. Result, high winding cost it is less efficient utilization space in the armature slot. So that's all for the lap winding. So we proceed from the wave winding. So next is the wave winding. I prefer to next to wave winding. So we have from the lap windings we have our two types. So the first type is the simplex lap windings and duplex lap windings. So sa ako i-perform ang gigamit na ko is kaning simple lap windings. So from wave winding, so what is the wave windings? So in wave windings, only two parallel paths are provided. So between the positive and negative brushes, kani siya kay mga sa parallel kay na siya to muhatag og tone niya then from positive to negative. The finishes ends the one armature coil is connected to the starting end of the another armature coil commutator segment at some distance apart. So in this winding, the conductor are connected to the two parallel paths. The number of volts the machine. The number of the brushes is equal to the number of parallel paths. The wave winding is mainly used in a highly voltage low current machine. So that's from the wave winding. So if after passing one around after sa kanang kapita sa slot niya, the armature winding falls into a slot to the left. So sa kanya is pwede siya mo gamit pabalik once nga mo ka ganang pwede ka di pabalik from the left sa initial point. Then the winding is said to be ang tawagan niya is retrogressive windings. Then if the armature windings falls naman go into the right sa right naman po it is called progressive winding. So next is we have to do a wave winding. So from the wave winding is different from lap winding. So when you start from the slot 1, so from slot 1 you add 2, so you 5 plus 2 3, but in the same from the armature is we have to add 2, so it goes to 3 but from commutator from 1 we have to add 5, so it's going to 6. Then back to 2. Then we have to add naman 4. We have to 2 equals 4 plus. Then from 2 we have from I don't know. So we have to, so we have to proceed from from 2 we have to proceed to from 6, then back to 2. Then going then we add to 4 naman. Then from the amateur is add from 6 until the whole slot na siya yung kanina conductor, but similar sa pagi. Yeah. Sa amateur niya is you have to add 2. Then from Twitter is you have to add 5. This 5 slot to connect the windings. And that's all for the lap and weave windings. That's all.